Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary, and happy Easter. We are closed today because it's Easter Sunday. Now that spring is here, you may want to come join us as the Benton County Master Gardeners present a program on growing vegetables in your own garden. This will start at 1 o'clock on Saturday, April 15th. Saturday, April 22nd, we're going to have Celebrate Mom. And that's from 9:30 to 11. Registration is required on this one. You'll be making spa gifts for Mom. Now, Rosa is going to share with us information about a new display.
Hi everyone, this is Rosa. I'm the multicultural librarian here at the Rogers Public Library. I just want to tell you guys that for the month of April, please check out our display. We are going to have art from our librarians and the Hispanic Advisory Committee members. They've drawn or made their own inspired art by Diego Rivera. So please check out our foyer through the month of April. Hola a todos, yo soy Rosa, soy la bibliotecaria multicultural de la Biblioteca Pública de Rogers. El mes de abril nosotros vamos a exhibir nuestra propia interpretación del arte de Diego Rivera. Saben, como Diego Rivera era un muralista, nosotros vamos a tener diferentes artes de parte de nuestros bibliotecarios y miembros de la Hispanic Advisory Committee. So, por favor, cuando entren a la biblioteca, tomen el tiempo y disfruten de las diferentes pinturas y dibujos que van a estar ahí disponibles para ustedes disfrutar.
Thursday, April 13th from 2 to 3:30, we're going to have the English Conversation Group. Now remember, this is every Thursday now, and it's in person and on Zoom. Thursday, April 19th from 6 to 8, there will be a bilingual Achieve It, and this is adult education opportunities. And it's to learn more about NWAC's adult education programs. Check out our website for more information. Don't forget the April Take It Make It is the pop-up earrings. Be sure and stop by Cirque and pick up your packet. The Lunch and Learn for April is on Tuesday, the 11th at noon, and it's Before Disaster Strikes, what you need to know and do. Now, with storms coming up, it's probably a good idea to be informed on that one. The teen department has its regular Monday DIY from 6 to 8. The 10th, they're going to do Sharpie tie-dye, and on the 17th, sun catchers. And then the third Saturday is their teen tabletop from 12 to 4. Be sure and check out the teens event page for all the other programs that are going on, because they have a lot going on. Then into the children's department. Recently, we purchased some Braille books. Now, Kristen, the children's director, is going to tell us a little bit about them.
Hello, I'm Kristen, and this is our brand new collection of Braille books for the Rogers Public Library. We have all kinds of books for children, spanning all the way from Percy Jackson, Book 1, The Lightning Thief, to The Babysitter's Club, to some nonfiction books, biography of Ray Charles. We have all kinds of things here. So we are very excited to be able to have these available for our patrons. And if you read Braille, then you can just come to the children's desk in the library and ask for the Braille collection. It is being held behind the desk to keep them safe, since they are very fragile, just being the thick paper. But we are happy to let you look at them, even if you can't read Braille and you just want to come see an example of what that's like. We're happy to do that. And we also have a quarterly magazine that is being donated by the publishers to the library called The Children's Friend. So we'll have a new one of these each quarter, and they'll be available for checkout just like the rest of Braille books.
Poetry story time is every Wednesday from 4 to 5. And the next two are going to be April 12th, which is math poems. And they're going to do googly eyes on numbers. Aren't they cute? And then on the 19th, they're going to do Smile Out Loud poems. And they're going to make happy smiles, fun smiles. So be sure and check out our webpage for more programs. Like YA, children's are doing a lot of programs. And don't forget, summer reading is coming. So keep an eye on our website for more information about summer reading. So until next time, everybody, have another couple of wonderful weeks. Bye.